Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold and you are
Mr. Gold the Dan. A mini gold. In again other one of me.
M&MG. Now we're giving away $200 Canadian to the lucky subscriber to our channel. Check out our video called 400 Subscriber Draw for more details.
Yeah.
Special big up to our viewers. Our viewers are the best. Big up to our viewers that continue to leave messages and comments in our comment section, that like our video and share our video. You guys are golden. 5 stars to you all, top prize. Thank you for your support. We really appreciate it. And Mr. Gold and I, or sometimes just me, Mrs. Gold, will be going live soon. We're thinking about doing weekends and every other Monday, but we will give advance notice when we will go live and what topics we'll bring, because we have a diverse viewership on our channel. So we'll let you know ahead of time what our topic will be. And in the future, what we hope to do is when we're on location, that we could do some live too, so that you guys could get to see the beautiful sights of Canada live and in person. So again, thank you very much for your continued support. Oops, with all the alkaline excitement, we forgot to share our Valentine's Day unboxing video. Here it is now. So, Mr. Gold,
I don't even know the inside this thing.
but it's not, before we even get to that,
I don't know even say it must be a bomb.
What do you mean, bomb? Anyhow, people like to see us open our gifts. They liked our Christmas video, and they want to see us open up gifts.
I love when my wife buy gift for me.
So I hid this gift from Mr. Gold, and I said, you know what? Let's open up our Valentine's Day gift. Yeah, I have to hide it.
Me don't open this already. You avoid it.
So I said, let's open up our gifts for our viewers to see, since they liked how we opened up our Christmas gifts. And I also just want to say that I'm somebody, I like a good sale. I like good stuff. I like a good sale. So when we're doing these things, it's for entertainment purposes. We don't want people to think that they have to be pressured to take things and buy things for their people. So I just want people to know that the best thing for Valentine's Day is always to just spend time with your loved ones. Make them dinner, do something different. Valentine's Day is a good time to do something unusual that you'll never do throughout the year. So we know a lot of people love their spouse and their girlfriend and their husband and their boyfriends, but Valentine's Day is when you do that extra special thing, like hide a gift from your husband. So, sir, and he doesn't know he bought my gifts. I'll reveal what my gifts are later. Thank you, baby, for the gifts that you don't know you bought. Go ahead, Mr. Gold.
No, we want to see the dinner, yeah?
Yeah, I think you should get a little closer in the camera.
Yes, I'm gonna open it.
Get a little closer, baby, so they can see. I'll move over.
Hold this one, eh?
Mm-hmm. It's from Fashion Nova, the same place we got your Christmas gift, because you really like those clothes. So they came from the US. That's nothing. Those are just things to keep it.
I think of money.
No.
Me spend money, me think they're gonna give back some money.
So that's a hoodie, and the style is to make it look like, you know, it's vintage. You want to show the camera what it is?
Nice, man.
Show them, baby. Thank you. You might want to get a little centered. People can't really see.
Wow.
Look, babe. You're not seeing in the camera more.
Damn, nice. I like it.
Good, I'm glad you like it.
When I go Vinci, but I put down this now. This is my labor. Love it. I don't like it. I love it. Nice.
Oh, I'm glad you
Beautiful.
love it.
I like it.
You think you're
Bad.
Vinci? Okay, let's get the next one.
This is the next one, eh?
Yep.
And you have more. Let me see the let me the scissors.
Yep.
Yeah, this is a nice. Wow, I love this boy. Back.
You love it? Can you show our viewers what it looks like? Upside down.
I mean, I upside down.
Nice.
Nice, eh?
Very nice. Ready for your next one?
Okay, next one.
Got more.
Next one. Wow, this is pants.
Yeah.
Wow. Damn.
And on the pants here, this is a design. Even though I'm not a skull person, I don't like skulls, but
Wow.
I know he would like it. You like it?
Love you, girl.
Love you too. He had no idea.
What? Hey.
Show them, baby. And show them good. Drip. Like your other outfit, but a different style.
Wow.
Yeah, it's velvet material. It's really nice.
Wicked.
Yeah?
But nice. Love it. One more. I found this here. Should we show this up? Damn. Wow.
Show them closer.
Wow.
Fashion Nova Men. Nova Men. And I'm gonna do a review soon.
Nice.
On the lady side. So ladies,
Nice.
look out for that. And let me know if you like it. So you happy, baby? Are you surprised?
Nice.
And ladies, you know it's Valentine's Day. Sometimes we could treat our men to stuff if they deserve it. He's a good man. He deserves to be spoiled. That's my husband.
Wow.
Happy Valentine's Day, sir.
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
So Mr. Gold is going to be surprised again because he doesn't even know what he bought me. Basically, I needed a wallet and I needed a bag. So with this man's money, thank you, sir, I bought myself something. Michael Kors.
I'm my wife. Me buy anything, girl.
Yes. And
I married to me, girl. Me love her. Me give me anything.
I usually buy Coach bags. So this is gonna be the first time I'm owning Michael Kors bags. But I did ask my husband what he wanted to say as a Valentine's Day message.
Me open it for you.
Thank you, sweetie. And they included it in there. So I don't know what message my husband gave me for Valentine's Day. My husband, he has more Michael Kors than I do. The jackets and t-shirts. So let's see what it looks like. So I'm in Canada. This is Michael Kors, Canada. Okay, so that's how it came. There's a card from my husband. So let's see what my husband wrote for me. So it says Michael Kors on here. And baby, let's see what you wrote. If I can get this open. To my beautiful wife, I love you. Do you want to give me a kiss? Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
See how they did it? You want to look at it? Okay, so let's go further in this box. And that's just, I guess, the receipts and stuff. Just the gold. So, it came in a box like this, already wrapped, which is great. You think you can wrap like this?
No.
Okay, so let me open it. Oh, that's gonna open up nice. It just came off. Okay, so take it off here. And how do we get this? Oh, push it. Oh, here. So it has like a cover here. Oh, this is the wallet. Hold this for me, please. Thank you. And let me open it. Oh wow, we take good care of this. Where was all this paper when we were sending borrow? We could have used all of this. Oh, well protected. Beautiful. With our initials on it. JJG, Michael Kors. Wow. You like it, honey? You like what your money bought me?
Nice. Really nice, trust me.
So I'll let you guys see it more closer. Right? The handle. So this is a wristlet. And you see how it's stronger, baby? So this one hopefully won't break down like the other one did.
Me not gonna still go buy this there.
No.
Me go give me money for you buy. What you want?
And we order it online.
Does she want, does she do?
Right? So thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
And let me get to the next gift.
You're safe.
Thank you, baby.
Everything.
Open up this next one here.
Okay, we'll get them for you.
Thank you, babe.
Take it.
Okay. This is huge. Oh. Wow. Can you get that for me? Oh wait, I think I got it.
No, open it. You open me over.
Okay, I'm gonna need it. This one's big. Oh. Okay. So let me get this out. Okay, you pull the bottom of this. Oh, stuff in there. Oh, this is the receipt now. Okay, so it's in this big box. Yeah, the receipt and stuff. See, Michael Kors. And with another card from my husband. Remember, he just tells them what to write. He hasn't necessarily seen anything. So let me see what was written. Happy Valentine's Day, wife. I love you. Thank you, sir. Okay. So I know this bow thing doesn't work, so take off from here. There's a front. This. Okay. Ooh. Let me show how it looks. Michael Kors wrap. You can take that from me, baby. Thank you. Yeah, it can help me. Plastic. Whoa, handled with care. We gotta take all this stuff off. And then we can show everybody what it looks like.
Garbage.
I know. Babe, have you ever took so long to open up so much wrappings on a bag yet?
Hard.
It was crazy.
So they might protect their stuff, man.
Yeah, they definitely, you know, my daughter told me that I'd appreciate a Michael Kors, I can tell you right now. So far compared to the Coach bag, it's not handled with so much care. This is the bag they gave us to put the bag in. And this is the bag. And that goes with the bag. So that way I can wear the bag around across my shoulder. So here's the bag. Look, baby. It matches the wallet, as you can see. It has the initials on it as well. You know, like earth tone colors. When we got married, our colors were earth tone colors. I love it. My daughter told me I'm going to be addicted. I believe her. It's very roomy, very nice. I love my Coach too, but this is sick. So thank you very much, sir. Well, let me show this part to the people then. Thank you. Oh. See, so, and then you go like this and hook Okay, just on this up part of person. You can wear it two ways. It can also be worn this way. And you can adjust it to what size you would like. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, honey. I'm very happy. Thank you, daughter, for recommending Michael Kors bag. So, I have one more thing for you, baby, that I know you'll like. Of course, you had to do that.
Wow.
Yeah. We can't end
Chocolate.
this without our favorite chocolate. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching our Valentine's Day video. We hope you have a great Valentine's Day.
I usually say I want to come and foreign to eat some chocolate, eh? No me that foreigner that kill chocolate.
One thing we try to do is support these businesses during these times of COVID. So we just bought wine from Jack Astor's, which is one of our favorite restaurants for Valentine's Day. That will go well with our chocolate.
Yeah, man. Big up to my people around the world. Everybody in the world. Respect every time. Be safe. Keep and trouble. Respect every time.
Bless up.
Don't know.
Thank you for watching Mr. and Mrs. Gold YouTube channel, M&MG. Bless. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share, and like. Thanks.